What are you doing? What'd you do? I caught you. Look at her. I'm gonna make her so guilty. It's so funny. Nyla, why are you running away? Look, she's trying to be cute. She's trying to be cute. Look at her face. What'd you do?
Что это за ужас? Кошмар. Бонза, это ты сделал? Признавайся, это ты сделал? Не ты? Может, это ты сделала? Кто рассаду перевернул? Кто перевернул рассаду?
No, you're not supposed to do that. Why did you bite me? Huh? I said no, no? No. No, honey. No. No. Be there. Be there.
Somebody tears up the toilet roll when no one plays with it. Let's go find the guilty party. Yes. Hello. Yes? What's it? What is this? What is this? What is this? Yeah, you know you're bad.
Did you do this? Sydney, were you trying to get in the closet to eat? Yeah?
Suspect number 3, squirming like a maniac. Ooh, it's set on his head. Is that dirt? Is that dirt on your face, Charles? Let's move him down there. Let's see if it's Charles that did that. Charles, did you do this? Did you do this, Charles?
Did you push it off the edge? Is that your dish? Huh? What happened? How do you feel about that? Huh? Oh. You gonna watch it for a little while? Yeah? I know. That was your dish.
Who did that? Babo? Did you do this? Where are you going? Huh? Did you do this?